3.
God was very sad about his word. The people were bad and pain. The only good people left were Noah and his family. And God told Noah that a great flood was coming. So Noah and his 2 sons set to work building an enormous boat.
Ang attorney
The
yan.
first people laughed at Noah, but he didn't win. The ark was finished. God told Noah to round up into the water bears all the animals,
Ang iyong apo, oh.
2 elephants, 2 zebras, 2 lions, 2 of every kind. Hurry up, said Noah. The rain is beginning to fall. Nobody must play.
Yung kami ninyo.
Tortoises. One of the elephants climbed to board the ark, but pushing and pulling, Noah's wife managed to get him safely inside. Then the rain began to fall, harder and harder. Peter Potter
Ilang taon na ito? Ilang taon na?
until the ark.
Apat?
It rained for
Napasok na siya.
49. The water flood over the whole earth. At last, the rain stopped. It was sent to Noah. During the ocean and sleep, this told Noah that the flood was going to The ark transported to the mountain top. Then Noah opened the door.
Nawin yan din.
God
Nawin sa map.
in the animal safe. God is the guy.